They said it couldn't be done. They said it wasn't possible. They even laughed at him. Science, 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 science. But they persevered and made it a reality. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nick. Today we have a very special video. Why do we have a very special video? Because we have Milwaukee's new 56-piece 3/8 metric and standard ratchet and socket with 4 flat sides kit. This is product number 48-22-9008. What comes in the kit? The kit includes a 3/8" ratchet, 27 regular sockets, 2 extensions and a universal joint, and 25 deep well sockets. So you've got 13 standard SAE sockets. You've got 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, and 15/16, all the way up to 1 inch. You have 14 standard metric sockets, 6mm, 7mm, 8mm, all the way up to 19mm. You have 11 deep well SAE sockets. You got a 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, and 7/8. And then you have 14 deep well metric sockets from 6mm, 7mm, 8mm, all the way up to 19mm. You have a 3/8 extension, you have a 6-inch extension, and you have a universal joint. Also, this kit has a removable storage tray, so you could take these sockets and put them anywhere you like. All right, what's the deal here? 4 flat sides is the deal here. These sockets feature 4 flat sides. Now, what do those 4 flat sides do? First of all, if you've ever worked with sockets, you'll know they have a tendency to roll, especially when you drop them on a concrete floor. They have a tendency to roll away. These will not roll. Trust me, I've tried. Also, with the 4 flat sides, it makes them wrench ready. You could strap a wrench around those bad boys, get all the extra tour, and they have stamp sizes on them, which is pretty cool, so you can tell them apart, tell which size they are. The 3/8" drive ratchet is featuring a slim profile head, a 4-degree arc swing, 90 teeth design, and a flush directional lever. Nice. So on the box it says forged strength, chrome plated durability, and rust protection. Another great feature about this Milwaukee socket set is that they're featuring a lifetime guarantee on the sockets. Now, how do you take advantage of that lifetime guarantee? Well, it's easy. For replacement, call 1-800-SAWDUST, or you can email mechanicshandtools@milwaukeetool.com, and they want you to put a description in there, a product description, a photograph of the product, the damaged product, your name and shipping address, and that's how you can take advantage of the lifetime warranty. That is pretty awesome. Good stuff. I would also like to mention that I did look up the prices on different websites. Seems to be universally $179 wherever you go. I will say that HomeDepot.com currently has this in stock, as well as the tool nut, but Acme Tools also has it, and it's a pre-order item, but you might be able to save a few bucks over at Acme Tools by entering the promo code. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and overview of the new Milwaukee socket set kit. If you did, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot, everybody. Catch you on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here.